And we didn't need that. It was just too much stuff.
But LoKi, the stem is loose.
Here, take that. Take that. You need less stuff. I don't know why you need so much junk. Yeah!
So last year when I was riding along on my trainer, I had a wrench into my jersey pocket, and that's when it hit me. I am the inventor of a tool called Fix-It Sticks. Fix-It Sticks allows you to customize the tools that you bring, specific to each bike in your stable. They're modular, so you can start your screw with one hand, and then when you need to get the final torque, you put the other stick in and get the final push that you need to make sure that your seat posts don't slip or your water bottle stays in and never comes out. Some of our initial reaction on Facebook and on our website has been great. We've gotten a lot of interest from people that are excited about the tool and really want to find a nice, easy, compact way to take tools with them so that they're not stranded out there. As you can see, we have lots of prototypes here to fulfill our promises. We have lots of funding options available down there. We'd love to have you on board as part of our support staff and be a backer of Fix-It Sticks.
Fix-It Sticks. It's everything you need and nothing you don't.
Hey, I'm Nate Barr, creator of the Pocket Monkey, here today to tell you about my latest creation, WildCard. The pocket knife needs to evolve. It's an essential tool, but it's bulky, it's one more thing to remember in the morning, and it easily falls out of your pocket and is lost. I wanted something better. I asked, why not put a pocket knife in my wallet? It'd be easier to carry and harder to lose. So I set out to design a knife that'd be as thin as possible, and the result is WildCard. It's only 2 millimeters thick, only slightly thicker than a credit card. I was able to do this by reimagining the blade pivot. Most knives have a pin pressed through a hole. WildCard has a pivot unlike anything in the world. I call it fly-off technology. The 3 wings of the pivot allow the knife blade to remain rigid to the body, a necessity when wielding a sharp tool. For safety, I designed the blade to lock open and to lock closed. The blade tucks neatly under 2 blade guards, and it angles only on one side, so users can't accidentally cut themselves when carrying a closed knife. With Pocket Monkey, I used a monkey to represent the personality of the tool. With WildCard, I kept that trend going. WildCard has a wolf cutout that doubles as a bottle opener. The wolf embodies the nature of the tool, agile yet powerful. I wanted to pack as much functionality as possible into WildCard. Many people misuse knives in place of other tools like screwdrivers and pry bars, harming themselves or breaking their knives. So I added these tools to the knife. I always wanted to challenge convention. Because of that, I spent the last 6 months trying to reinvent how this product is manufactured. Every manufacturer I talked with was hesitant to produce such an aggressive design. The solution I kept hearing was take this to China, but that isn't something I'm willing to do.